For a beard. Beard sounds great. Yeah, there you go.
Now is the time for us to be of good cheer. The festive season of Christmas is now very near. So, it is my joy to welcome here this very night the Duchess of Northumberland to switch on the light. God save the Queen and the Lord of this manor!
Can you hear me? That's possibly the first time in 20 years. Excellent. Good to see so many out tonight. Very nice evening. We had to miss out last year for COVID. We were trying to get back to normal. My job before I hand over is to actually thank those people who make it possible, because nothing happens without money. The team are completely unpaid and they're all volunteers. But we need £15,000 a year to keep this going. We have some major sponsors from the public sector, Alnwick Town Council, represented here by the Mayor, Linda Whelan. But from the private sector, we have Lili Malhotra and her husband, Sabi, who are representing the Malhotra Group, who have sponsored us for 10 years with a very generous grant annually. So without that, we couldn't continue, and I do thank them, and all those who actually subscribe and support us. And I include the Alnwick Lions, who have given us a very generous cheque this year. The Alnwick Rotary, represented by the President tonight. Alnwick Round Table, represented by the Chairman, Graham Brown, tonight, also on the stage. Now there are many other numerous supporters, small businesses and institutions who help, too numerous for me to list and get wrong. And I'd also like to thank Melvin's Cafe, who've been hosting us for 25 years at no charge. Thank you to Melvin's Cafe. And also I must not forget to mention Warren Access. When you see the hoists out round Alnwick with the team putting up the displays, that is provided at no charge by Warren Access Newcastle. The bill is zero. Very generous of them. And finally, I will thank the Playhouse Band for entertaining you so well tonight. Thank you very much, Playhouse Band. That's my job done. I'm now going to hand over to the Duchess of Northumberland to say a few words. You're great.
Well, how wonderful it is that we're back here again after last year when we were sitting in our houses thinking what we should be doing. It's so great to be back and to see all of you in the market square. And I think there are more of you than I remember before. A big thank you from me for everything that everybody does to make this evening possible. And that's not just from our major sponsors, the Malhotra family, but to everybody who's worked so hard throughout the year to make sure that we all have a wonderful Christmas. And now I'm going to pass over to Henry, who's going to press the button and switch on our Christmas lights.
Go Henry! First of all, let's have a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
string them all on. Roger.